And we're going to start with some very good news. New York State has now hit a 70% vaccination rate, that according to the CDC.
Meanwhile, there are no active COVID cases in two of our local hospitals' ICUs. Unity Hospital and Rochester General both reporting 0 COVID patients in intensive care right now. That's remarkable. Jack Watson is here with more on all it. Jack?
Certainly is, Maureen. In fact, Unity Hospital says they haven't had an ICU patient with COVID since Thursday. At one point, the Unity ICU was at 200% capacity, with 2/3 of those patients receiving COVID treatment. Now, to clarify right off the bat, Rochester Regional is still treating for post-COVID symptoms, but active ICU cases in those hospitals are at 0. Consider this. At the height of the holiday surge during this pandemic, Rochester Regional was treating 480 COVID patients in the hospital. Dr. Jake Lyons is the ICU director at Unity Hospital. Dr. Lyons attributes efficient care and vaccines to the downturn in COVID ICU patients. He says he can't recall having a patient in the ICU who was vaccinated.
While we don't have any cases right now, we're going to continue to have patients percolate into the ICU that have COVID. It's still out there. It's still in the community, not nearly to the degree or the prevalence that we had before. And we have a lot more patients, vaccinated, a lot more folks vaccinated. So we're still going to remain on guard. It's still.
And local and state leaders both reacted to this news from our two local hospitals. Governor Cuomo tweeted, quote, "Vaccines work," and County Executive Adam Bello tweeted, quote, "We have come a long way." Adam.
All right, Jack, thank you. Reported cases in Monroe County stayed low today. There were just 22 new confirmed cases.